Welcome to our algebra series. In this video, we are going to master the concept of vertical lines, specifically looking at the equation form, x equals h. This is a fundamental concept for understanding coordinate geometry. So, what exactly is a vertical line? Visually, it is a straight line that goes perfectly up and down. A key property is that it runs parallel to the y-axis. It never leans to the left or right. The equation for a vertical line is unique. It is always written as x equals h here. X represents the x-coordinate of every point on the line, and h represents a constant number. There is no y in this equation, which often confuses students, but it simply means y can be anything. Let's look at the data points to understand why. If we graph the line x equals 2, look at the table. Whether y is -3, 0, or 4, the x value remains stubbornly at 2. It never changes. Here is a positive example, x equals 3. To graph this, we find +3 on the x-axis. Then, we draw a vertical line straight through that point. Notice it is 3 units to the right of the y-axis. Now let's try a negative value, x equals -4. We find -4 on the x-axis, which is to the left. We draw our line through that intercept. Every point on this purple line has an x-coordinate of -4. Here is a special case that often appears on tests. What is the equation of the y-axis itself? Since the y-axis goes through 0 on the x-scale, its equation is simply x equals 0. What about the slope? Remember, slope is the change in y divided by the change in x. Since the x values never change, we end up dividing by 0. In mathematics, dividing by 0 is impossible. Therefore, the slope of a vertical line is undefined. Is a vertical line a function? We use the vertical line test. Since our line is vertical, it touches infinite points on itself simultaneously. One input x produces infinite outputs for y, therefore, it is definitely not a function. Let's summarize. Vertical lines always have the equation x equals h. They are parallel to the y-axis, have an undefined slope, and they are not functions. Their x-intercept is always at h, 0.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.